If you want to give yourself the best chance of getting an accurate result when doing a COVID-19 self-test, then follow these instructions carefully on how to use the rapid antigen test. First things first, you need to prepare. Make sure that you haven't eaten or drank anything in the last 30 minutes. Next, wash your hands with warm, soapy water for 20 seconds or use hand sanitizer. Now, a couple of common scenarios we've seen that need to be addressed are nosebleeds and piercings. If you've had a nosebleed in the last 24 hours, then swab the other nostril. If you had a nosebleed from both nostrils, then just wait 24 hours to be safe. If you have a nose piercing, you'll test the side that doesn't have the piercing. If both sides have a piercing, take one of them out and test that nostril. If you're helping test other people, make sure you use a separate kit for each person. You cannot reuse any of the contents in the kit. They're one-time use only. Now we need to clean and sanitize the test area so we don't get any false readings from any other bacteria. A kitchen table or countertop will work so long as it's flat and even. Make sure you clean and sanitize your test area and your hands after each test so you don't contaminate anyone else's test. The last thing you want is a false reading, as that puts you and your business at risk. Your kit should have the following: one test device, one buffer solution vial, one nasal swab, and the package guide. Grab the test device and lay it flat on the test area facing up. Remove the push vial swab from the package and make sure you don't touch the tip of the swab. Only touch the bottom so you don't contaminate it. Remember, these contents are all a one-time use, so be careful. Tilt your head back slightly and insert the swab 1 inch into your nostril and start swabbing the walls of your nose for 15 seconds. Next, take off the white cap on the solution vial and put the swab in. Twist the swab a total of 20 times back and forth. Before you take the swab out, press it against the inside of the top of the vial to squeeze out as much of the solution as possible. We want as much of the sample from the swab inside the vial to give the test the best chance of reading accurately. Close the vial cap immediately, then remove the purple cap and squeeze 3 drops of the solution onto the bottom of the test device where it has an S. Wait 20 minutes for your results. Do not use any results past 25 minutes. 20 minutes, no more, no less. You'll see the test device has 2 letters on it, C and T. C is the control line. This tells us if the test is working correctly or not. T is the test line and indicates whether or not the test detected the COVID antigen. If there is a line next to both letters, it's a positive test result. If there is a line next to C and no line next to T, it is a negative test. If there are no lines at all, or there is a line on T and no line on C, the results are invalid, meaning the test was not able to perform properly. If this happens, no worries. Grab another kit and repeat the process. Lines that are faint versus lines that are highly visible are to be treated the same when interpreting the test results. We hope this quick video has been helpful for you. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let us know in the comments below. If you'd like to get your business set up with antigen kits and testing, click the link in the description, and we'll see you soon.